So we have completed our chapter. Any problem in this chapter, children?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any queries?
No, ma'am.
Anybody? So let's come to the discussion of question answer. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, ठीक है. So, all of you, how many of you have joined? Only
Ma'am,
15.
15 participants.
Yes. So let's wait for some time.
Ma'am, 17.
So in the meantime, let's have some quick look on this chapter. Soil is obtained by I just give you some summary of the chapter so that in the meantime the children will join. Soil is formed by withering of rocks, and there are two types of withering. What are they?
Ma'am, physical weathering and chemical weathering.
Physical weathering and chemical weathering.
Physical withering and chemical withering. Physical withering has 4 factors. What are the 4 factors?
Ma'am, temperature, wind, plants and animals, water.
Water. Yes. Temperature, wind, water, and plants and animals. These are the 4 points on which, 4 factors on which the physical withering depends. Then chemical withering is depending on the organic deposition from dead plants and animals or organic matter and the solvent action of water. These are the factors of chemical withering. And when we discuss about soil profile, then what is soil horizon?
Ma'am, different layers of soil.
Different layers of soil are called soil horizons. Different layer of soil are soil horizons.
And what is soil profile?
And these horizons are called soil horizons. The arrangement of this soil horizon is known as soil profile. Arrangement of this horizon are called soil profile.
Yes, which layer will come after which layer? That is known as soil profile. Here, when we talk about soil horizon, what are the different horizons in the soil? How do we have named?
O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and R horizon.
A, B, and C horizon and R horizon. So these are the different horizons of the soil. Then we have discussed properties of soil. In that,
Yes,
soil texture. According to soil texture, soil is of how many types?
Ma'am, 3 types: sandy soil, loamy soil, clay soil.
Sandy soil, loamy soil, and clay soil.
Types have got its own quality. So what is the quality of soil? Sandy soil?
Ma'am?
What is the quality of soil?
Ma'am, it is bigger in
Ma'am, bigger soil particles at top.
It cannot hold water and particles are bigger. It does not have plasticity. These are the qualities. What about clay soil?
Ma'am, it can retain
The smaller
it can stick together. It has property of plasticity.
anywhere. Has a higher proportion of fine and smooth soil particles.
Between the soil particles.
Yes. And it has
Can you tell me what are you teaching?
So water logging can be also there if there are heavy rainfall or if more water is poured in it. Then loamy soil.
Ma'am, it is made up of
Mixture of sand and
it is used
both air and water.
It is made up of sand, silt, and clay in right proportion, and it has got humus also, so it is the best quality of soil. Then soil color. On what basis soil color is identified?
Ma'am, presence of iron and minerals.
Ma'am, presence of minerals.
On the basis of minerals present. Then soil structure.
And minerals and amount of organic matter in the
Yes. हाँ ठीक है, दोनों क्वालिटी हो सकता है, दोनों कंडीशन हो सकता है उसमें. और सॉइल स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में क्या बोल सकते हो आप लोग? That it has got the
stick to each other.
Stick together.
yes, according to the amount of plasticity or cohesion in that property in that type of soil. ठीक है? Then plasticity क्या है and cohesion क्या है? Define
Ma'am, plasticity is the Ma'am, plasticity is the property that enables more soil to change its shape on application of force.
Property that enables
moist soil to change
Ma'am, the property that enables moist soil to change shape on application of
soil
and retain its changed shape when the force is withdrawn.
of force and retain
and cohesion. Cohesion क्या है? What is cohesion?
the tendency of
Ma'am, the tendency of similar particles to stick to one another is known as tendency.
similar particles to stick to one another.
And from soil density. Soil density क्या है?
Ma'am, soil having lighter particles usually have a higher weight per unit volume than
Large particles usually have higher weight
Per unit volume. Then those having smaller particles. Infiltration and percolation rate.
Ma'am, at which rate water enters the soil is known as infiltration rate, and at which rate water passes through the soil is known as percolation rate.
Ma'am, infiltration is the rate at which water enters a soil, while percolation is the rate at which water reaches the soil.
Composition of what basis
To a soil.
Inorganic substance,
Ma'am, organic substance, inorganic substance,
soil, air, and living organism.
ma'am, soil, air, soil, water, living organisms.
Yes. Then how can we consider soil as a resource?
And because it is used to make various things.
It is used for
building,
road
road construction and dam
Construction industries.
Like bricks.
Yes.
Ma'am, it helps in construction industries, dam construction.
Foundation of construction project.
In building and construction. Then soil pollution. What is soil pollution?
soil pollution.
Ma'am, soil pollution, the buildup of toxic compound and chemical etc. in the soil.
Yes. Soil and crops, how they are related to each other?
Ma'am,
When
because
soil is mineralized, then the plant will use it. So,
So
ma'am, the type
soil
of
and
crop
crop.
that may be Ma'am, the type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil.
Yes, very good. Then soil erosion.
Ma'am, soil erosion implies the removal of soil by
Soil
agents
erosion
combined with
implies
water.
the removal of topsoils by agents such as wind and water.
Removal of
top layer of soil.
Removal
of
topsoil by
protected the soil.
How can we prevent soil erosion?
Avoiding overgrazing.
by avoiding
Avoiding
Ma'am, by
using overuse of
extensive
land and
afforestation
happening in
By overgrazing of animals.
avoiding overgrazing because
avoiding
overuse of land.
Ma'am, we can prevent soil erosion by stop
Yes.
deforestation and start afforestation.
Yes. Now, children, all of you open page 156 and come to the question answer. Various layers in the soil are called
and soil horizon.
Soil horizon.
Ma'am, horizons.
Yes. Soil horizons, SOIL HORIZONS. The intermediate particles that are neither very rough nor too smooth are termed as
Ma'am,
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 silt.
silt. Ma'am, silt.
yes,
Ma'am, silt.
Slit. Ma'am,
SILT.
slit.
That is the tendency of similar particles to stick to one another.
Ma'am, cohesion.
Poison.
Cohesion.
Choisin. Ma'am, choisin.
COHESION, cohesion. Soil is important for roots to carry out
Respiration. Ma'am, respiration.
respiration. Dash and dash are called soil pollution.
Toxic compound and chemicals.
Toxic compound material.
And pesticides and fertilizers.
हाँ, fertilizers also you can write, but एक ही similar answer लिखे सब toxic compound and radioactive material. Then यहाँ तक सबका complete हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई रिपीटेशन नहीं चाहिए ना?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. 5 का दूसरा क्या बताया? Toxic
Five
compounds
का होगा toxic compound and radioactive material. Then come to match the following: potash soil, clay,
Ma'am, clay.
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 yes.
clay.
Organic material,
Humus.
vermicompost,
Earthworm.
Earthworm.
sandy soil,
Validated.
Validated.
concrete floor,
No
concrete floor,
qualification.
No calculation.
No pollution.
Now, which of the following is not an agent of physical weathering?
Organic acid. Organic acid.
Which is the lowest fraction of soil profile?
acid.
Bedrock. Bedrock.
Bedrock.
Organism is known as nature's plowman.
Earthworm.
Which soil can retain more water?
Clay soil.
Clay
Clay
soil.
soil.
In coastal region where the soil present is mainly
Sandy
Sandy soil.
Now, after that, question D.
Ma'am?
Answer the following question in D. State the meaning of the term soil. Open to page 145.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, you all listen first. क्योंकि आपकी आवाज पूरा मिंगल हो जाती है तो सारे बच्चे उसको नहीं फॉलो कर पाएंगे. So in question answer, I will say 145. Soil can be defined as the naturally occurring loose covering of broken rock particles and decaying organic matter, humus on the surface of the earth. Then list the 4 main agents of physical withering. Page number 146. temperature, the main agents you can write down. The main agents of physical withering are temperature, water, wind, plants and animals. Write one difference between sand, clay and silt. Open to page 148. Sand. The bigger coarse particles are termed as sand. The smaller particles that are smooth are termed as clay. The intermediate particles that are neither very rough nor too smooth are termed as silt. All of you have got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is page number 148. Name the types of soil classified on the basis of soil texture. On the basis of soil texture, soil is classified into three categories: sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. Clear? Only you write the name here. यहाँ पर केवल name लिखना है. Give the meaning of the term cohesion. Page number 150. The tendency of similar particles to stick to one another is known as cohesion. The tendency of similar particles to stick to one another is known as cohesion. Page number 150. List any three causes of soil pollution. Page 153. Soil pollution is caused by factors like use of chemical pesticide. ये first हो गया. Second, excessive use of fertilizers. And third, percolation of contaminated surface water to layers below the surface, and oil and fuel dump.
Ma'am, please repeat the answer.
Page number 153. First paragraph. Soil pollution is caused by factors like use of chemical pesticides. Then second, point wise you can write. Excessive use of fertilizers. Or you can write this point, percolation of contaminated surface water. Or you can write oil and fuel dumping. Oil and fuel dumping is a smaller point, so you can mention that. 3 points you have to mention.
Hello.
All of you are marked till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, come to E. Question E. Answer the following questions. Classify and explain the categories of soil on the basis of texture of soil. Now, here you have to give the explanation about all the different types of soil. So, come to page number 148. Soil, according to soil texture, sandy soil have particles that are bigger in size. The large spaces between them are filled with air. They are therefore said to be well aerated. Such soil cannot retain water. Then after that, retained water के बाद यहाँ आ जाओ last line. Sandy soil needs more frequent irrigation for successful crop growth. Clear? Once again, sandy soil are soil particles that are bigger in size. The large spaces between them are filled with air. They are therefore said to be well aerated. Such soil cannot retain water. Sandy soil needs more frequent irrigation for successful crop growth. Then the second one is clay soil. Have higher proportion of fine and smooth particles. There is very little space between the soil particles. Such soil cannot retain air. Till here only you write. Then after that, loamy soil is a mixture of sand, silt and clay particles. It can hold both air and water. Loamy soil has humus also. It is considered to be the best soil for growing crops. Most of them. All of you have marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Ma'am, can you once repeat clay soil?
Clay soil, well, you can see, just see, clay soil have higher proportion of fine and smooth soil particles. There is very little space between the soil particles. Such soil cannot retain air. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, come to question number 2, E2. Differentiate between infiltration rate and percolation rate. Page number 150. Page number 150. Infiltration is the rate at which water enters a soil, while percolation is the rate at which water moves through the soil, through a soil. This is the basic difference between these two. Mark ho gaya?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please
we can
repeat
write.
again.
Ma'am, we can write this from you must know also.
Pardon?
Ma'am, the answer is also in you must know.
In you must know, every points are mentioned, main points. So book से ही लिख लीजिए ना, कहीं से भी लिख.
Okay, ma'am.
Same thing. Main points are mentioned over there also. Write a short note on composition of soil. Page number 151. The following components are generally found in a soil. Inorganic substance. Most of the inorganic substance present in the soil are derived from parent crop. Addition of fertilizers also affect inorganic content of soil. Organic or humus. This include dead and decaying parts of plant and animal excreta, animal excreta and residues of soil organism. Humus increases the productivity and water holding capacity of the soil. Soil water, it is generally present in spaces between the soil particles. The water content of a soil has significant effect on productivity, plant productivity. Till here. Soil air, spaces between the soil particles contain air. Well aerated soil are associated with healthy roots that increase crop productivity. Till here. Living organism, a variety of organisms are found in soil. They include microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and algae. Insects and earthworms are also present in the soil. Till here you.
Ma'am, can you repeat of the inorganic and organic?
Yes. So complete you have to write over there. उसमें inorganic और organic में complete paragraph. From
Okay,
most
ma'am.
of the inorganic substance till content of the soil, and this include dead and decaying parts से लेकर holding capacity of the soil till there.
Okay.
All of you have completed till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's move to the fourth question. Fourth question. The type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil. Give 3 examples in support of this statement. Come to page number 153, soil and crop. The third paragraph. Some sound is coming from background. किसी का अगर mic mute है, sorry, open है, mute करें. The type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil, the soil component, the humus content, and climatic factor in that region. Now come to the example. Paddy grows well in soil that are clayey and rich in organic matter and are able to retain water.
Ma'am,
Loamy
please
soil that
repeat
drain. Yes, let me complete first, then I will repeat. Loamy soil that drain water easily are ideal for growing pulses. Cotton grows well in well aerated soil that also drain water easily. 3 examples you have to take. So 3 examples are these. तो एक बार और देखिए. The type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil, the soil components, the humus content, and the climatic factor in that region. Then the example, paddy grows well in soil that are clayey and rich in organic matter and therefore able to retain water. Loamy soil that drain water easily are ideal for growing pulses. Cotton grows well in well aerated soil that also drain water easily. Got it? 3 है या 4 है? 3. Only 3 examples. 3. Give these 3 examples. Then, should I move to the next question?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We also have to write the type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil, the soil
Yes.
components, the
Yes, you write that because that line is explaining about what we are going to, which example, for which matter we are giving these examples. तो इसलिए वो line भी लिखना जरूरी. वो आपको एक्चुअली बुक में भी मतलब क्वेश्चन में भी है तो इसलिए उसको हम लोग रिपीट कर देंगे. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो. What is soil erosion? How can it be avoided? Soil erosion, the removal of, पहले यहाँ से शुरू करो. The removal of topsoil by agents such as wind and water is known as soil erosion. और इसको प्रिवेंट कैसे करेंगे? तो इसके लिए आप लोग आ जाइए यहाँ पे पेज 154 में. Soil erosion can be prevented by extensive afforestation practices, avoiding overgrazing and overuse of land also help in preventing soil erosion. Once again, एक बार और देखिए. The removal of topsoil by agents such as wind and water is known as soil erosion. Question is how how can it be avoided? तो ये आपको prevention उसका लिखना होगा. Soil erosion can be prevented by extensive afforestation practices, avoiding overgrazing and overuse of land also helps in preventing soil erosion. Why it is said that plasticity and cohesion plays an important role in the workability of a soil. How can plasticity and cohesion help to form a particular shape, or how can we work from it? That we have to explain here. तो आप यहाँ पर आ जाओ plasticity cohesion वाला टॉपिक में पेज नंबर 150. Page number 150, plastic soils are cohesive. Plasticity and cohesion reflect consistency and workability of soil. This property is utilized in practice for making clay pot and terracotta toys.
Ma'am, please repeat it.
Yes, you can see this. Page number 150, first paragraph, third line, last third line. Plastic soils are cohesive. Plasticity and cohesion reflect the consistency and workability of the soil. This property is utilized in practice for making clay pots and terracotta toys. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
किसी भी क्वेश्चन में दिक्कत है तो बोलो, फिर से रिपीट कर देते हैं.
Ma'am, please repeat the D.
हाँ,
Ma'am, D6. Ma'am, please repeat the D6.
six. Okay, page number 153 में आओ. List any 3 causes of soil pollution. Page 153. Soil pollution, first paragraph. Soil pollution is caused by factors like use of chemical pesticide, first, second, excessive use of fertilizers, and third, oil and fuel dumping. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please repeat E3.
E3.
Yes, ma'am.
Write the short composition of soil. Page 151. 151, come to page 151. The following components are generally found in the soil. Inorganic substance, most of the inorganic substance से लेकर content of the soil, till there. Then organic material, this includes dead and decaying parts till capacity of soil. Then soil water, it is generally present till effect on plant productivity. Then soil air, spaces between soil particles contain air. Well aerated soil are associated with healthy roots that increase crop productivity. Living organisms, a variety of organisms are found in soil. This include microorganisms like bacteria, fungi and algae. Insects and earthworm are also present in the soil. हो गया? और किसी को कोई दिक्कत है? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, D.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Which one? बोलो एक बार और.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am,
एक बार देख लो ठीक से. List the 4 main agents of physical withering. Come to page number 146. The main agents of physical withering are temperature, wind, water, wind, and plants and animals. And D2 हो गया. D4 क्या है? Name the types of soil classified on basis of soil texture. D4 के लिए come to page number 148. Soil texture topic. The bigger coarse soil particles are termed sand. The smaller particles that are smooth are termed as clay. And the intermediate particles that are neither very rough nor too smooth are termed as silt.
मैम E2
D2 अभी बताए ना बेटा.
मैम
D2
Ma'am, E.
146 में. Come to page number 146.
Ma'am, वो E2 बोल रहा है, E2.
E2. अच्छा.
Yes, ma'am.
E2 देते हैं. Differentiate between infiltration and percolation. Come to page number 150. Infiltration and percolation topic. Infiltration is the rate at which water enters the soil, while percolation is the rate at which water moves through a soil. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, E1, please.
E1. अच्छा. Soil texture. ये come to page number